Hi, I'm Jacqui and I love plants.
Unfortunately, with any sort of garden, you do get pests and diseases. One of the biggest pests that I get really frustrated with are slugs. And yes, everything has to live and everything has its place in the world. But slugs, really, do you have to eat quite as much as you do? So this hebe, unfortunately, that I took from a cutting, should, by now, look more like that. Unfortunately, it's been eaten. So what I've got to do is find the little devil that's done it. Have a look underneath the pot. And if you're very sharp-eyed, you can see a slug just curled up in one of the holes. So we want to pick him off, and well, best things to do is either burn them, squash them, or you can put beer traps in. So here's the little monster that's causing all the trouble, hiding from under that pot. So under pots is very much where they like to go. They like dark, moist places. Have a search through, there could be more than one.